are going to solve the problem the k weakest row in a matrix. You are given an m cross n binary matrix mat of 1 representing soldier and 0 representing civilian. The soldier are positioned in front of civilian. That is, the all 1 will appear to the left of all the 0 in each row. So in question, 1 represents soldier and 0 represents civilian, and all 1 appear in left of every row. And a row is I is weaker than a row j if one of the following is true. The number of soldier in I is less than the number of soldier in j. If any row have less number of soldier, then it will be weaker than other. And second condition, both row have same number of soldier and I less than j. And two row have same number of soldier, then the weaker is which row is less index. If it is 2 and it have same number of soldier, so weaker will be less because it is a zero index, zeroth row, and it is a third row as base on index, so it will be weaker because it has zero index. So return the indices of k weakest row in matrix order from weakest to strong. So we have to return the number k weakest row in matrix in order the weakest to strong get. So first of all, it is a one soldier only, then it will be weaker. Then first we return the this what is the index of it, 0 1 2, then 2 return. And after that we have 2 soldier, so we have 2 row for 2 soldier, then but it have zeroth index, but so it is weaker than this because second condition is both same number of soldier, that will be weaker which row is less index, so it will be weaker. Then return 0, then 3, then we have written only 3, the answer is return this. So for this we have to find solution. Here is the solution. We have a priority queue. For first of all, we traverse all row. We are finding the last index of soldier. If we find the last index which is lesser last index of this, it will be high, it will be low soldier, then it will be the weaker. So we find the number of index of last row, and it push for every row we push the last index of this and that row which I take the max heap. It will be sort in first. In max heap we have on top we have max, greater element in the at the top. So if we have size greater than k, means we have not need to the greater than k, so we simply uh, pop the priority queue from the priority queue, because we have need only k element, k weaker element. After that we find the k weaker element, then we push in answer. We reverse the array. Because why we are reversing, because in the max heap we return descending order, because in the max heap we have on top a greater element, so we push greater and less, then less than we got the array in decreasing order, but we have the weakest first, then we reverse the order. So I hope you will understand the problem. Thank you. We are submitting. It's right answer. Thank you for the